Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Giilgxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Giilgxy Z Fold 4. This time I picked up the Giilgxy case. It's a flip leather cover, slim cover S view mirror shockproof thin cover with kickstand case cover. Yeah, read all that right there. So basically it has the cover where you're supposed to be able to see through it and still use the front panel, almost like those old Samsung, S View cases. But then you have the protection in the back. It does also make a kickstand out of it. It's supposed to be magnetic. So you do have the camera cutout. The camera cutout is made out of plastic, so just feels and looks a little cheap. But let's see how this thing fits. All right, fits snug in there. The volume rockers and the power button are open, so it's easy to get to. You don't have to worry about struggling about it. The cutout for the USB Type-C is open. Now this is not for protection. This is not going to protect your case from drops. Your phone from drops. But you could lay it down and not worry about scratching up your lenses there, because that's how it covers it up. So here's the cover itself. Let's turn the brightness up a little bit. Now this probably will work better if I didn't have a screen saver in there. But I don't have to open it. I can make phone calls, answer it. Now while you have this down, yes, it protects your screen too. So you don't have to worry about opening this to, make phone calls or anything else. I do like the back, how it feels. It gives you extra grip. Let's do a smell test. It says leather, but that does not smell nothing like leather. It has the hinge protection here when it's closed. Let's open it up. It kind of flaps in the air, but a little bit. Let's see if I can get it to stick. Doesn't really stay open. It's not too bad. Let's see how the kickstand works. I think it's supposed to be something like this. No, I don't want Google. So like this, if I'm watching YouTube, it works pretty good. That's not bad at all. Actually, that works pretty good. So yeah, if you're just looking for a simple little case, if you want to, have like a S-style, S-view type of cover, it works out pretty good. And like I said, it'd probably work out better if you didn't have a screen protector on your phone. But I do like the grip. It protects the hinge. I could rock with this for a little bit, definitely. You can get this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. I don't know what y'all think about it. Can you really see? Yeah, look, you can kind of, it's like a mirror too if you want to use it as a mirror. At least that's what they said. I don't see it, but I guess you can use it as a mirror. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you will have a problem. You can wireless charge without a problem. I didn't think you would because it's not really a heavy duty case. But again, if you want to pick this case up from Amazon, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. It comes in many different colors too. It comes in blue, gold, rose gold, and silver. So if you want to pick that up, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Giilgxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.